Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating the media entity. This is where the video will render. First, make sure the add-on is enabled, then spawn the media player facing your desired surface. Next, enter a valid URL or a local file path so the player can fetch content. You do this now because the rest of the setup depends on a loaded media source. Once done, give the entity a clear name and save its position. This prevents confusion when you configure visuals and audio next. Now configure playback settings so the output looks and sounds correct. You adjust resolution and aspect ratio, use 16:9 for widescreen, and set volume. This affects sync and clipping. Then enable loop or autoplay if continuous playback is required. Subtitles can be toggled here as well. For audio, decide whether the media player outputs sound directly, routes to another audio entity, or remains silent because you use an external source. Make sure to test a short clip so you can fine-tune latency and quality. To finish, run a full test. Play, pause, seek, and watch for lip sync or dropped frames. You should test on client machines to confirm multiplayer consistency. Once done, bind keys or use wire inputs to control playback remotely. Save your map or duplication to preserve the setup. If something goes wrong, check the file format and codec compatibility, inspect firewall or URL access, and look for add-on conflicts or console errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.